isn't an aphrodisiac. My skin isn't your chocolate mocha cocoa.
We are having our first African-American Foodways Summit called our Food Freedom Future to celebrate but explore, learn about, take with us, see how it applies to us, knowing knowledge of food heritage and having a sense of connection to land and the power that can come with that going ahead into the future.
And one of my favorite things about farming was connecting with seeds. These things hold a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom. We call it ancestral wisdom. I think that was what made me a successful farmer, like having that relationship, caring about them, looking at them, understanding them.
Today we are making kale salad with homemade dressing. And the kale is actually indigenous to Africa. It was brought over here. A lot of the enslaved people brought them over, like in addition to like okra seeds and stuff like that, just because they didn't know what the conditions were going to be. The African diaspora cooking, and so basically that just means like we're talking about cooking from the Caribbean, from South America, just all over.
We learned about the history of kale and like plants and how to make certain things with different ingredients.
Something that we never used before.
That you get to meet new people and learn new things that you've never tried.
My top lip he pulled from Appalachian Mountain to the bottom, where he turns over the horizon for these reasons.
So I taught them how to take different recipe metaphor and to describe themselves or describe their surroundings. She helped me a lot. Like I wrote a pretty quick, but it was like a cool poem. So it was about me. It was a lemons, and I'm still like sweet and sour. That was me. You know, it teaches empathy. It teaches history. More than just an important tool for self-liberation, but also a way to help you connect to just different things around you.